Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A52S 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner button so we can open the camera settings, and now we have to slide a little bit down to selfies category. At the second position here we have save selfies as preview option, so our mirror effect. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need, and when we have it turned it on, as in the info, we can save selfies as they appear in the preview without flipping them. And of course remember that to make it work we have to change back camera to the front one, so let's do it by tapping on this button from the right. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.